Today we have discussed intersection of solids. In that chapter, having remaining cases cone with cylinder and intersection of cone with cylinder, and when cylinder is horizontal and cylinder is cone is horizontal and cone is inclined. So let us we discuss the cases. Let us discuss first prism with prism inter axis intersecting. In that case, the square prism having standing and square prism is penetrating. So in that, search some pictorial views. So first, let's see the problem. Let's see the problem. A square prism 30 mm base sides and 70 mm axis is completely penetrated by another square prism 25 mm sides and 70 mm axis horizontally. Both the square prism intersect and bisect each other. Bisect means center point is half of the axis. Full stop. All faces of the prism equally inclined to VP, draw the projection showing curves of intersections. So firstly, draw the reference line name as X, Y. Then draw the square 30 mm base. So similarly, draw the 30 mm base square and bisect the diagonal and take half distance of diagonal and mark on that point and make a circle square 1 2 3 4. After that, project the square prism on front view and axis length 70 mm and name the 1 2 3 4. So similarly, with the help of 45 angle inclined line, project all points on that line and extend this point on a side view, and with the help of front view, mark the distance and mark the points 1 dash 3 dash 2 dash 4 dash. Similarly, complete the first point half of the session. So next session, another case, another square prism 25 mm side and 70 mm axis intersect horizontally. That 25 mm sides prism, draw the 25 mm square prism and intersect this diagonal and take a half distance and draw the square prism on which point bisecting the axis name as ABCD dash. Then extend this point ABCD dash on front view name as A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, and similarly mark the axis of that prism. At that point, similarly extend all these points on top view. Mark as A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, and B dash. And these points mark on the top view of the first lead prism. That means first prism 30 mm side prism. And mark left side points and right side points which is intersecting the top view of the square prism. Next, extend all these points on top view, front view, and mark the name all points. Name A dash on same point will be generated at both sides. Name as A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. Similarly on A dash, B dash, D dash. So join A dash, B dash, D B dash, C dash, A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, and complete the development of the square prism with prism. Thank you. Let's see the second problem. A cylinder 50 diameter and axis 70 is completely penetrated by a triangular prism of 40 side and 70 axis horizontally. One flat face of the prism is parallel to VP and contain the axis of cylinder. Note that points parallel to VP and contain the axis of cylinder. Draw the projection and showing curves of intersection. That means cylinder standing and triangular prism penetrating. So firstly draw reference line. Draw first cylinder 50 as a diameter. Project all points and create a top front view. Name as 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, draw the inclined line and project all parts, and this with the help of that parts create a side view. So this is the first part of our problem. Then horizontal mark as a name 1 dash, 3 double dash, 2 double dash, 4 double dash. That process having half of marks of out of given marks. Next, draw the flat prism which is said that contain the axis of cylinder. That means that flat face of prism is parallel to VP and contain the axis of cylinder. So mark that points and nearby see the actual views of that intersection of two solids. Then name as A, B, C, D, F dash. Project all points on front view with the help of A lines, C lines, D lines and F lines which is shown in the figure. Then mark the axis of horizontal prism, square prism, horizontal prism, and then intersect the points. Next, so that is shows the top view, front view of the intersection of two solids. Then mark all these lines on a top view and project all points with the help of generator lines. These generator line extend on top view also and front view also. After that, intersection of these two lines mark points and shows the actual curves of these two intersection of two solids shown AB, CD, A dash. Similarly, EF, DE, F dash. Thank you.